Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into two of the latest graphics cards on the market. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition and the PowerColor AMD Radeon RX 9070. With both cards offering 16 GB of memory and designed for high-performance gaming, we will explore their specifications, features, and performance characteristics. We'll look at their cooling solutions, price points, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition stands out with its advanced DLSS 3 technology and higher boost clock speeds, reaching up to 2,655 MHz in OC mode. This allows for smoother gameplay and better frame rates in demanding titles. On the other hand, the PowerColor RX 9070, while slightly lower in boost clock at 2,070 MHz, still offers a robust gaming experience with its 16 GB GDDR6 memory. Both cards are built on PCIe 4.0, ensuring fast data transfer rates, but the ASUS card is likely to excel in scenarios that leverage NVIDIA's features. Overall, if you're looking for the best performance, the ASUS card may be the way to go. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti comes with a premium price tag of $829, reflecting its high-end features and performance capabilities. In contrast, the PowerColor RX 9070 is priced at a more budget-friendly $679, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. If you're on a tighter budget, the PowerColor card provides excellent value for its specifications, while the ASUS card justifies its cost with superior technology and performance. Cooling solutions are vital for maintaining optimal performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti features an advanced Axial Tech fan design and a 2.56 slot layout, which enhances airflow and cooling efficiency. This design helps keep the card cool even under heavy loads. Meanwhile, the PowerColor RX 9070, while equipped with a dual fan design, does not specify its cooling technology in detail. Therefore, while it is likely adequate for most gaming scenarios, the ASUS card's cooling system is more robust and designed for high-performance demands. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super OC Edition and the PowerColor AMD Radeon RX 9070 have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASUS card offers superior performance and advanced cooling solutions, making it ideal for gamers who demand the best. However, the PowerColor card provides excellent value for those on a budget, delivering solid performance at a lower price point. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.